Did you know the UK and China, two of the world's biggest economies, are now using an Islamic financial tool that could change how money works? Imagine owning a bridge, a port, or a factory instead of just lending money and collecting interest. Today, we uncover the secret behind Sukuk, the world's most stable financial instrument. Interest rates are volatile. Debt levels are reaching record highs. Financial crises are happening faster than ever. Amid this chaos, Islamic Sukuk is quietly gaining attention from Western and Eastern superpowers. But why? Are the UK and China suddenly embracing religion? Or is there a powerful economic reason that the Muslim world has known for centuries? What is Sukuk? Most people confuse Sukuk with bonds, but they are fundamentally different. In a traditional bond, you're a lender. You give money and expect interest in return. If the project fails, the debt remains, often causing economic crashes. In a Sukuk, you're an owner. The word Sukuk comes from the Arabic word sak, meaning a legal deed. You own part of the asset the money builds, like a bridge or a factory. Your returns come from actual revenue, not interest. This is the stability secret. Sukuk ties finance to real-world assets, reducing speculation and financial bubbles. UK case study: London became the first non-Muslim country to issue a sovereign Sukuk in 2014, and did it again in 2021. Both times the offering was oversubscribed. Why? Two reasons: access to billions of dollars in ethical capital from Islamic banks and sovereign wealth funds. Diversification and stability. Sukuk is backed by real assets, helping stabilize the UK national debt. London is now positioning itself as a global hub for Islamic finance. Sukuk is not just for Muslims. It's a sophisticated financial tool for anyone seeking stability. China and Asia. China's interest in Sukuk is tied to its massive Belt and Road Initiative. The project passes through dozens of Muslim-majority countries, and Sukuk provides a financial language these nations trust. Chinese corporations have started issuing Sukuk in markets like Malaysia. Why? Because the asset-backed model fits China's focus on industrial growth, rather than speculative banking. Sukuk is also used for green energy plants, what's called green Sukuk. It combines ethical finance with sustainable development. Sukuk versus bonds. During the 2008 financial crisis, Islamic financial institutions remain remarkably resilient. Why? Because they don't trade in toxic debt or speculative derivatives, what Islamic finance calls gharrar. In a Sukuk-based system, the risk and profit are shared. This prevents bubbles and makes the system more stable. Superpowers aren't becoming religious. They are becoming practical. They see that the current interest-based system is fragile, and Sukuk offers a resilient alternative. Why it matters to you. What does this mean for you? As an investor, entrepreneur, or just someone concerned about the economy? Sukuk is a model for a debt-resilient system. It shows a way to invest in projects you actually own, not just lend money for interest. It's about transparency, stability, and ethics, combined with real-world financial returns. Imagine being part of the next bridge, energy plant, or city and sharing in its profit, not just collecting interest. Conclusion: the rise of Sukuk in both the UK and China proves the wisdom of Islamic financial principles. Whether you're in London, Beijing, or Kuala Lumpur, the core idea is universal. Invest in real assets, share risks and profits, and avoid the instability of pure debt,